All right. Hello, everyone. Welcome to your RC class. And before we begin, we're going to start revising our online rules. Um, so, honey, what is our first rule? You're on
Sit
mute.
in a silent place.
Sit in a silent place. Why do we need to sit in a silent place, Suhani?
दीदी क्योंकि अगर आसपास में
English,
कोई और है
English,
तो
English, English. Say the same thing in English. Your answer is correct. Just speak in English.
because everyone is sitting
Correct?
near
Correct? Very good.
me, then you say something I can't hear.
Okay. Sahil and Puneet, please sit in a silent place. Keep your phone at a place and sit with your RC notebook. You're 5 minutes late to the class. Thank you, Sohani. Beautiful explanation. Correct answer. If someone is sitting near us and they're talking to each other and or they're talking on phone or whatever, there will be a lot of disturbance and we will not be able to focus. Beautiful answer. Good job, Sohani. Yasmin, read the second rule.
Mic on when only when sharing.
Very good. What does it mean?
We will not open then we not something is not say.
Mic on only when sharing. What will happen if everyone's mic is on all the time?
Because we not listen Didi what say.
Exactly. If everyone's mic is on all the time, we will not be able to listen to what Didi is saying or what the speaker is saying, what anybody is saying, right? So that's why only when we have to share, we will keep our mics on. Okay, Puneet, read the third rule.
One speaker at a time.
What does it mean?
कोई भी एक जन बात कर रहा रहेगा सिर्फ
English. Say the same thing. Correct answer. Just speak in English.
anyone speak here, keep quiet and listen.
If I want to add anything when someone else is saying, what will I do, Puneet?
We are raise a silent hand.
Perfect, which is our rule number 4. We will raise a silent hand or we will show add sign that Didi, I want to say something, or Didi, I want to say something by raising my hand. And then Didi will call out your name and you will get a chance to speak. All right, Apsari. Where is Apsari? 1 minute. Apsari, rule number 5, unmute yourself and share. Why should we speak in English, Apsari?
We not understand how to talk in it.
If we don't speak in English, how will we ever learn the new language, right? Only if we speak to each other in English, we will be able to learn English. Thank you for sharing, everyone. Good job. Ms. Ba, if you can please switch on your camera, it would be really great because I'm not able to see you, so I don't know if what you are doing. Puneet, camera on. Amazing. All right. So today, before we start our class, we're going to learn a few new words. Okay, few new words. Give me a moment. Okay, the first word that we are going to learn today is called patient. Repeat after me. Okay.
Patient.
Correct. Okay. Puneet is raising hand. It seems he already knows the meaning. What is the meaning, Puneet?
Patient means the doctor check the patient.
Correct. So this person here is a doctor and the person who has some kind of disease or illness or sick is patient. जब हम बीमार हो जाते हैं, we are a patient, and who do we go to? We go to a doctor. So this person is a doctor and this person is a patient. So when we are sick, we go to doctor because we are patients. Okay. The second word is interact. Sahil, unmute yourself and repeat after me. Interact.
Interact.
Whose name is Sahil here? Sahil, unmute. Say interact.
Interact.
Say interact.
Interact.
Very good. Interact means to talk. See, these two girls are talking to each other. What does interact mean, Sahil?
Friend.
No, interact means to talk. What does interact mean?
Talk.
So Sahil is interacting with Freya Didi. Freya Didi is interacting with Sahil. What does it mean, Sahil? What did I just say? It means Sahil is interacting with Freya Didi. What does this sentence mean? Say, try Baba, try. Interact meaning?
Talk.
So Sahil is interacting with Freya Didi. Matlab Sahil is talking with Freya Didi. Okay? Understood, Sahil?
Yes.
Beautiful. Next word is, this is a word that we have already learned. Who can read this word? Silent hand. Who knows how to read this word? Yeah, I see Yasmin is trying to raise a silent hand and then going back. Okay. Try. Raj, try. What does this word read? ऐसे करके. This much first, then this much, then this much, then this much, then this much, then this much. ऐसे तोड़ के read.
Respond.
Correct? Read. Try.
Respond.
Respond. And then what is this?
Respond.
Yes, correct? I see Yasmin is showing me plus sign. Raj, try one more. Puneet is also raising his hand. S sound, I sound E. E, C. Response C. Then again, read. Suhani is also raising a silent hand. Let's try. We'll wait for one more minute, and then if you can't, then we'll move to someone else.
Respond. Responsible.
Response. Okay, Yasmin, do you want to say?
Responsible.
Responsible. Close. No. Puneet, what is the word?
Responsible.
No. Suhani, you were also raising your hand. Say. You're on mute, Baba. Ha.
Responsible.
Okay. The correct pronunciation is responsibility. Responsibility. Repeat after me, everyone. Unmute yourself. Quickly unmute yourself, everyone. Everyone unmute yourself. Mic ka button dabao. Sahil, camera on and press the mic button. Responsibility. Responsibility. Okay. Anyone knows what is the meaning of this? Someone who makes good choices. It's written here. Someone who makes good choices. Matlab, what does it mean? Okay, Puneet.
Didi, anyone? He choice very nice dress, colors,
Okay.
House and building.
Okay. Very good. Someone who makes good choices and someone who works hard. For example, keep your class clean. So cleaning our class is our responsibility. Doing our homework on time is our responsibility. Following the class rules is our responsibility, because these are good choices and I'm making those good choices. So these are my responsibility. Okay. Yasmin, all eyes on the screen. Okay. Fourth word is some architect. Repeat after me. Architect.
Architect.
Someone who designs buildings. Someone who designs buildings. This person is an architect. Raj, who is an architect? What does an architect do?
Army do.
Architect. Architect.
He make buildings.
Correct. Designs buildings. Correct.
Design buildings.
So this woman here is an architect because she designs buildings. Priya Didi was also a civil engineer. She also used to design buildings. Okay, the fifth word is astronaut. This word you have learned in science. Who can tell me what is the meaning of this word? Astronaut. Apsari. Apsari, do you know what is an astronaut? Okay, someone who travels to space. Someone who travels to space, जो rocket में जाते हैं and all those people. Remember Palak Didi taught you in science also. Someone who travels to space, जो बाहर की दुनिया में जाते हैं, space में जाते हैं by flying in a rocket. So someone who travels to space. And the last word is, this is a word that all of us know, dream. What is the meaning of dream? Yes, no, not Yasmin, Apsari. Apsari, what is the meaning of dream? You're on mute, Baba. Unmute yourself.
Something that you want to.
Something that you want to do. Okay, if you had to explain the meaning of dream in Hindi, अगर हिंदी में समझाना होता, what will you say? What is dream?
Some started करना.
Okay, I see Suhani is raising a hand. Suhani, share.
दीदी dream means सपना.
Exactly, dream means सपना. हमारा सपना जो नींद में भी आता है, या फिर सपना what is my, I dream that I want to grow up and I want to become a teacher, or my dream is to grow up and become an IPS officer, or my dream is to become a doctor. So ये मेरा सपना है कि मैं बड़े होके डॉक्टर बनूं. So these are my dreams. All right. Now everyone, we have learned these new words. We're going to use these new words in our class today. So remember the meanings. Okay. If you don't remember the meaning, don't worry. I will share these words with you on your Tigers group. But try to guess the meaning of the word by looking at the pictures and by reading the lines instead of by looking at the meanings. Okay. So in today's class, give me a moment. We're going to read a story of about 4 girls. Okay, about 4 women, not girls, 4 women. We're going to learn the story of 4 women, and let's see what these 4 women have done. So the first story, Freya Didi is going to read, and then Freya Didi will show you how she's reading. Okay, before we read, something that I forgot to do is this. How will we read? How will we read today? First, read one line and stop at full stop. एक line पढ़ो and जैसे ही full stop आता है, stop. Okay, stop there. And what will you do after stopping? Think of the meaning in Hindi. After stopping at full stop, I'm going to think of the sentence meaning in Hindi. जो मैंने अभी पढ़ा, I'm going to read in Hindi. Puneet, do you want to say anything, Baba? You want to read? Okay. Number 3, think of your own life to understand the line. अभी जो आपने हिंदी line पढ़ा, just think of your own life. Okay, try to think of your own life कि अगर मेरी life में भी यही story हो रहा होता तो what would it mean to me? So everything that I read, I'm going to think of my own life and think how would I feel, what would I do. So I'm going to think of my own life. We're going to make connections to our own life. We have done this before also, and जैसे we make that connection, then we will go ahead. फिर हम आगे बढ़ेंगे and read the next line. Okay, so first we're going to read the line, stop at full stop, think of the meaning in Hindi, then think of our own life कि अगर मैं ये story में ये character होता, then what would I do? Okay, or what would I feel? मैं कैसे करता? And then after we do that, we're going to read the next line. So this is how we're going to read. So we're going to read 4 stories. First story, Freya Didi is reading, and Freya Didi will look at Freya Didi very carefully how she's reading and वो कैसे कैसे सोच रही है and how she's answering the questions. Because after that, the next 3 stories we are going to do on your own. Okay. बाकी 2 stories में I will help you, but the last story you will have to do on your own. So observe very carefully, look at Freya Didi very carefully how Didi is doing this. Okay. So the name of the story is She Can. She Can मतलब वो कर सकती है. First story. This is Madeline. So there's a full stop, so I'm going to stop. This is Madeline. I know what this means. It means कि इसका नाम है Madeline. किसका नाम है? I think this girl in the picture here, her name is Madeline. Madeline is a dancer. There's a full stop again, so I stop. Madeline is a dancer. Madeline एक dancer है. Okay, in the picture also वो dance कर रही है. She's dancing. So I think Madeline is a dancer, and the main character is Madeline. She works hard and practices every day so that she can keep learning new steps in ballet. Okay, I read a lot of words, so I'm going to stop after every 2 or 3 words. She works hard. She works hard मतलब वो बहुत मेहनत करती है. I know what works hard mean. And practices every day. So what practice? वो every day practice करती है. क्या practice करती है? I think she's a dancer. So she must be practicing dance only every day so that she can keep learning new steps, ताकि वो everyday new steps learn कर सके in ballet. Now I don't know what is the meaning of ballet, but I know that she's a dancer और यहाँ पे picture में भी she's dancing. I think जो type का वो dance करती है, that name is ballet. Okay, so this kind of dance, जो type of dance करती है वो ballet. I know about different dance forms and this is a new type of dance called ballet. So now I'm going to think of my own life. कि Madeline works very hard and practices every day. In my life, I also work very hard and every day I do my homework and send it to Didi on time because because I want to keep learning. Just how Madeline wants to keep learning new steps, Freya Didi also wants to keep learning new English, new maths, new science, new history, and that's why she keeps working hard every day and practices every day and submits Didi, work to Didi on time. Okay, so now I know the meaning. Iska meaning kya hai? So I'm going to move ahead. Madeline likes to do ballet. So Madeline को ballet करना पसंद है. Okay, what do I like in my life? Freya दीदी को life में क्या करना पसंद है? I like to sing. I also like to dance. I also like to write. I like to teach. So okay, जैसे मुझे ये सारी चीज पसंद है, Madeline likes to do ballet. Madeline को dance करना पसंद है. She especially loves to perform. I don't know what is the meaning of this word. So let's move ahead and see and let's make a guess. She especially loves to perform in a theater in front of huge audience. She loves to dash in a theater. I think perform here can mean she loves to dance. क्योंकि वो dancer है तो वो theater में और क्या ही करती होगी. I think she loves to dance in a theater. Theater meaning what? Theater meaning hall जहाँ पे stage हो जहाँ पे वो dance कर रही है in front of a huge audience. Now remember in grade 4 Priyanka Didi taught me the meaning of huge. Huge meaning very big. तो बहुत बड़ी audience के सामने Madeline loves to perform. Where? In a theater. Nothing can keep Madeline from doing what she loves. Madeline को कुछ भी नहीं रोक सकता from doing what she loves. What does she love? She loves to dance. तो कुछ भी हो जाए, Madeline will always keep dancing. Okay. So okay, I've understood the story. Now let me read the questions. Question number A is, why do you think Madeline works hard every day? Why? मतलब क्यों? You think, क्यों आप सोचते हो Madeline works hard work करती है every day, हर दिन. क्यों आप सोचते हो कि Madeline every day work hard करती है? Why? क्यों करती है वो work hard? Now I'm going to think of my own life. मैं अपने लाइफ में डेली वर्क हार्ड क्यों करती हूँ? Why do I work hard every day? So that I can learn, right? ताकि मैं सीख सकूँ. So I think, so I'm going to write the same for Madeline also, that I think she works hard every day so that she can learn. How did I get this answer? मुझे मालूम है कि मैं अपनी लाइफ में इसीलिए वर्क हार्ड करती हूँ ताकि मैं कुछ सीख सकूँ. So I think Madeline भी इसीलिए वर्क हार्ड करती होगी so that she can also learn. Question number B. What do you work hard in your life for? What meaning क्या आप हार्ड वर्क करते हो अपने लाइफ में? So मैं अपनी लाइफ में किस चीज के लिए वर्क हार्ड करती हूँ? I'm going to think. I work hard to do my homework. I work hard to teach. So I can just write, I work hard to do my homework every day. So every day I work hard every day so that I do my homework on time. C. Madeline loves to perform in a theater. Madeline को theater में perform करना, dance करना बहुत पसंद है. How do you think? How मतलब कैसे आपको लगता है? कैसा आपको लगता है? You would feel. क्या आपको लगता है? आपको कैसा लगेगा? If you had to perform on stage. अगर मुझे Madeline की जगह if I had to perform on stage, how would I feel? I'm thinking that I think अगर मुझे इतने सारे लोग, if I had to perform in front of so many people, I think I will feel a little scared. I think I will feel a little scared, but I will also feel excited because there will be so many people watching me. So I'm going to write, I think I will feel scared and excited because I don't know that. मतलब पहले तो scared लगेगा, but after I perform, I will also feel very excited that I performed in front of so many people. So I think I will feel like this. So I read the story now. I thought about my own life, ki how would I feel or what will I do to do these things, and then I wrote the answers, thinking कि Madeline को भी ऐसा ही लगेगा. Okay. Any questions now, friends? Raise your hand if you have any questions. Because now you're going to do this on your own. Abhi Didi nahi padegi. You're going to do this on your own. Suhani, can I please have your camera on? Sahil and Vaishnavi also camera on. Amazing. Okay, and show me a thumbs up if you understood the story. Puneet, who was the main character in the story? Say, correct. Whatever you're saying is correct. Say, who was the main character? Say, आपको जो भी समझ आ रहा है, say. Yes, correct.
Madeline.
Correct, Madeline. And what did Madeline do? Madeline
Do ballet.
She do ballet, she did dancing, she was a dancer, she did ballet, and she worked very hard, right? So the first story we learned about Madeline. Yes, Puneet, I see you have a question.
See, I have a question in first.
Yes, ask.
Why do you think
Madeline works hard every day? What is the meaning of this question, Puneet?
कि
हाँ?
मैंने क्यों हर वक्त ट्राई करती थी?
हाँ. What do you think is the answer?
दीदी उसको ट्राई कर रही थी क्योंकि उसको
Say.
पेपर मिला तो उसको अच्छा परफॉर्म करनी था.
Because she wanted to perform good, right? In the theater. Very good. You can write that. Okay, whatever you're thinking is the correct answer. Just try to write in English. Okay, galat hoga, sahi hoga, no problem. Just try. So now we're going to do number 2. Number 2, you're going to do it. I am giving you exactly 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes to do it on your own. After 5 minutes, you will come back and share your answers, and Didi will discuss the answer with you. Give me 1 minute. I am going to share number 2 question with you. Okay, give me 1 minute. Together. Puneet. Haan. Okay. Sahil, read the first line.
He is M-I-M-I.
Meaning? What is her name? What is the name?
M-I-M-I.
Right? Sound, E sound. Sound, E sound. What is the name? E. E. Sahil, E. E. Me.
Me.
So what is her name?
Me.
Correct. So here is Mimi. Aage?
Mimi is a doctor.
Correct. So Mimi is a doctor. Full stop. So I'm going to think. Who is Mimi? Mimi is a
doctor.
So is this A? A का नाम Mimi है और फिर B का नाम Mimi है. Who is Mimi? A और B?
A.
इसका ये डॉक्टर लग रही है आपको?
No.
Then who is Mimi? Correct. Okay. Good job, Sahil. Next one, Apsari, read. No, not Apsari. Wait. Apsari, I'll give you another line. Raj, read. Raj? Read the next line. So we know that here is a Mimi. This person's name is Mimi and she's a doctor. Aage?
She work all day to
treat. She works all day long to treat.
He practice.
We learned this new word. Puneet, what is this new word?
Yes.
Ha, say. Doctor and?
Patient.
Correct. So she works all day long to treat her patient. What does the sentence mean, Raj? What is the meaning of the sentence you just read?
That any people heart is called passion.
Okay, and she works all day long to treat her patient. What is the meaning of this sentence?
मतलब meaning to practice.
She practices every day. She does a lot of hard work throughout the day. पूरे दिन वो बहुत मेहनत करती है. Why? So that she can treat the patients, right? Okay. Next one, Suhani. No, Suhani, read. You're on mute, huh, Baba? Read.
Mummy love.
Mimi.
Love.
We learned this new word. New word सीखा हमने. Correct? In. पहले इतना पढ़ो, फिर इतना पढ़ो, and then read this much. Read. Correct. Say whatever you're saying. Say that. सही बोल रहे हो. Say. Who wants to try reading this word? Misbah, try. Very good. Interesting. साथ में बोलो. Interacting. What did we learn the meaning of interacting? To talk to each other. So Mimi loves interacting. आगे सुहानी.
Interaction with her patient.
Meaning, what is the meaning of the sentence?
मिमी को पसंद था पैसेंट लोग से प्यार से बात करना.
Very nice. Good job, Suhani. Okay, now Apsari read. Apsari, now read. You're on mute, Baba. Baba, you're on mute. Apsari, unmute yourself. Mic का button दबाओ. Nothing. Apsari, I can't hear you. I'm giving chance to someone else, Baba, because I can't hear you, okay? I am going to ask Puneet to read.
No, see.
Nothing.
Met.
Didi, can I read? No, Misbah, and silent hands only. Matters.
Thing matter more to her than taking care of other.
Very good. Nothing matters to her more than taking care of others. Meaning, Puneet?
हम ज्यादा उसको हम ज्यादा केयर ले सके.
उसको सिर्फ इसी से फर्क पड़ता था, मैटर करता था उसके लाइफ में, that she takes care of others. उसको और कोई चीज से मतलब नहीं था. She just wanted to take care of others. Okay? Yasmin, quickly read this sentence.
Didi.
Next.
Mimi. Mimi
balances
are their responsible.
Mimi balances all her responsibilities well. Meaning?
मतलब मिमी के रिस्पॉन्सिबल बहुत वेल है, ऊपर है, ऊपर।
मिमी बहुत ज्यादा रिस्पॉन्सिबल लड़की है. ओके, रीड द लास्ट, मिसबा रीड द लास्ट लाइन.
She takes care of her family and the hospital too.
मीनिंग?
वो अपनी फैमिली के लिए नहीं, वो अपनी फैमिली को बहुत केयर करती थी और उसको उसकी फैमिली को छोड़ता तो वो हॉस्पिटल लेके आती थी.
No, Baba, she takes care of her family and hospital. So hospital, why? Because she's a doctor and she works at a hospital, right? So उसको अपनी family भी बहुत प्यारी थी, उसको hospital भी बहुत प्यारा था, तो वो दोनों का बहुत अच्छे से take care करती थी. She used to take care of both her family and her work. Work is what? Hospital. Okay. So now let's do the questions. I'm going to ask Sahil to tell. No, I'm going to ask Apsari to tell me. Okay, Apsari, let's try with you again. She works hard all day long to treat her patients. What kind of a person is Mimi? इस question का मतलब मुझे बता दो अप्सरी बस. Just tell me the meaning of this question. हाँ, so what kind of a person is Mimi? What is meaning of question? What kind of a person is Mimi? इस question का मतलब who will tell me? What does this question mean? Suhani, what is the meaning of this question?
Mimi is a person.
Who needs smart position?
Didi, which?
A. What kind of a person is Mimi? What is the meaning of this question?
What kind of person? मतलब कि क्या kind है मिमी में?
नहीं, no. It means मिमी किस तरह की इंसान है, किस टाइप की इंसान है मिमी. Okay. Raj, what is your answer? Can't hear, Baba. फिर से बोलना बाबा. Tell me once more. Okay, take your time. Okay, Raj is saying she has empathy. EMPATHY. So empathy or kind. Anyone wants to add anything? What kind of a person is Mimi? Anyone has a different answer? I have got everyone's answer. Puneet, what have you written?
I am written same Didi. Empathy.
Okay, so since she takes care of everyone and she helps, she has empathy. Anybody with a different answer? Misbah, what is your answer?
Didi,
Hmm.
Mimi is helpful and kind because patients to help and Mimi was kind.
Amazing. Mimi is helpful and kind. Okay. And it means the same as empathy. So good job, everyone. Good job. Correct answers through everyone. Okay, quickly. Second one, who's going to tell me? Second one, Yasmin, quickly read the question and tell me the meaning of the question only. Only meaning of the question.
Mimi love in look. What do you love do the most in your life?
Meaning?
Meaning मतलब है क्या आपकी लाइफ में आपको बहुत क्या पसंद है?
Exactly. आपको क्या करना सबसे ज्यादा पसंद है? And everybody is now going to write their answers in the chat box. Right here. Everyone write your answer for number B over here. Quickly, you have 2 minutes to write the answer in the chat box. Everyone. Miss Ba, I'll ask you number C, okay? Now you write in the chat box. Don't cry. Everyone write the answer in the chat box. I'm waiting. Apsari, Baba, write in the chat box. You know how to write now? Right here. Okay, see, I've sent you a message. Just click there. Send me your answers, everyone. What do you love doing most in your life? आपको अपनी लाइफ में सबसे ज्यादा क्या पसंद है? क्या पसंद है आपको अपनी लाइफ में? Okay. I've got Yasmin's answer. I've got Raj's answer. I've got Puneet's answer. Waiting for Misbah, Suhani, Apsari, Sahil to send me their answers. Last 30 seconds. I've got Misbah's answer. Misbah has written a big, beautiful, long answer. Okay, I've got Suhani's answer. Waiting for Apsari and Sahil for in the last 15 seconds. We're coming back in 10, 9, 8. Everybody back, camera on. Everyone back, camera on. Apsari, Puneet, come back, everyone. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So the question is, आपको अपनी life में what do you like the most in your life? Love the most in your life? आपको अपनी life में सबसे ज़्यादा क्या पसंद है? So Misbah has written family, school, Nani. Then Sahil has written interaction, means he loves to talk. Puneet has written helping others. And Yasmin has written, I want to be a doctor. Yasmin and Raj has written, I want to be IPS. Okay, I am guessing that what you mean is you love doctors and IPS. Okay, yes.
You
have given two answers, helping others and helping my mother, correct? Okay. Now number C. Misbah, read the question and tell me the meaning of the question quickly.
In your life, who takes care of family and
Baba, C. Question number C. This one.
If you were Mimi, the doctor of for a day, what would you do?
What is the meaning of the question?
अगर आप भी मिनी जैसे होते डॉक्टर तो आप क्या करते? कुछ दिन के लिए आपको डॉक्टर बना था, आप क्या करते?
Perfect. If you were a doctor for a day, what would you do? Silent hands, who wants to share the answer? Yes, Puneet. I'm going to ask 3 people. Puneet, Suhani, and one more person. I'll ask Yasmin. Puneet, Suhani, and Yasmin will answer. Puneet, tell me, what is your answer?
Gigi, we are give a.
What will you do? Not we. I will give.
I check the person and give a medicine.
I will check patients and give medicine. Very good. Okay, next, Suhani, what is your answer? Suhani, unmute yourself and share. I can't hear you. Unmute yourself, Suhani. If you were doctor for a day, what will you do?
I am up. What problem do you have?
I will ask, what problem do you have? You will ask, what problem do you have to people, right? Very good. Okay, Yasmin. What is your answer quickly?
I will speak softly. I am not shout her.
Oh, wow. I will speak softly and not shout at patients. Not shout at others. Very good. Okay. And the last question. Oh.
Didi, I am say something.
Yes, Baba.
I am a doctor, so I am doing a blind person and other persons do not have family and he was very hurt. So I help and I do ilaj and free.
So nice, Misbah. So I will treat poor people at free of cost. That's a really beautiful thought, Misbah. I loved your answer. Thank you for sharing. Okay, last question. Quickly, who is going to read? Who is going to read? Yasmin, read the question.
If your family, who do you think is very responsible? Why?
Okay, what is the meaning of this question?
मतलब आपकी फैमिली से very मतलब ज्यादा रिस्पॉन्सिबल क्यों?
Who meaning?
वो मतलब कौन?
So, आपकी फैमिली में सबसे ज्यादा रिस्पॉन्सिबल
कौन है?
and why? Okay.
Why?
Okay, I see Misbah is raising her hand. Misbah, do you want to share your? I'll ask 2 people to share this answer. Misbah, Puneet, and Raj. Misbah, share.
My dad was very responsible person because he responsible family and child to eat new dishes, and child and wife was very happy they enjoy life.
Oh, that's a beautiful answer. Misbah is big fan of her dad. She's saying my dad is the most responsible. He takes care of my family, his wife, his children, everyone. Okay, Puneet, what is your answer?
दीदी my answer is same.
No, okay, say.
दीदी dad के इस पे mom लिख दो.
Okay, my mom. You tell me. I'll write it. My mom, because
Because
she
that
You tell me, I'll write. You tell me. Because she
take care
takes care of everyone.
everyone.
Okay, Raj, what is your answer? And you can't say same answer. You have to tell me the answer. Responsible. Okay, so thank you, Raj, for sharing. Almost same answer, but in his own words. Good job, everyone. Was anyone writing? Yeah. Now, I thought we will do number 3 also, but we're going to skip that and we're going to do number 4. Okay, number 4, Didi is not going to help you. You're going to do on your own. So read the story, think of the meaning of the story in Hindi, and then do it. Okay, this time I'm giving you 10 minutes to do this. Okay, you have 10 minutes to do this, and after 10 minutes, you will send me the pictures. Okay, quickly, I will share the picture with you on your Tigers group. Okay, check your Tigers group. You have exactly 10 minutes. It's 6:03 now. We will come back at 6:13. Okay, write the answers and send the pictures to me on my personal number. Didi is not helping you. Yes, Puneet?
You are right. Puneet, join again.
Oh, that I wrote 10 before a lot of time ago when you left the Zoom call by mistake. Okay, check your WhatsApp Tigers group, everyone. Got your picture. Same for Vaishnavi and Apsari. Abhi ke liye you can leave the call and join again at 6:25 क्योंकि history class है उस वक्त. Okay. Okay, I've got Miss Ba's pictures, Sahil's pictures.
Didi, I leave.
You have history class at 6:30, Sahil.
Yes.
6:25 में join करना. अभी 10 minutes का break ले लो.
Yes.
Bye. Miss Ba, I've got your pictures. You can leave. And join again at 6:25 for history class.
Didi also I am sent.
Suhani. Yes, Suhani, I've got. Suhani, you have again history class at 6:30 p.m. So join at 6:25. Okay. 5 मिनट का ब्रेक ले लो और फिर वापस आ जाना. Okay, you can leave the call.
Didi I am leave. I am send.
Okay.